My people, I just want to tell you, say, if your builder make those mistakes I'm about to mention, your building can start cracking in 6 months. If your builder dig a shallow foundation, be expecting a crack in less than 6 months. And some clients go say, just manage am. My brother, na house you wan build oo. Lis ten attentively, na house you wan build. No be pure water factory, abi no be store wey you wan build wey be say your foundation go come dey shallow. Na house you wan build. Foundation is the backbone of your building, and if it is weak, everything on top of it is already in danger. Make sure your foundation depth is correct and use the right material. And dey warn you now, use the right material and don't rush the process. Use the right material and don't rush the process. Because once crack start, fixing it will cost you more than doing it the right way from the beginning. If you have seen this type of error before, comment say you will never allow this.